It's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? Today has been a very chilly day, so I am in my sweater. What is everybody up to? If you are on the replay, hashtag replay and follow along. If you are live with me, say hello. I'm going to put the lid back on this before we need it. I put more water and stirred these up before I started today. So we have our board that we cleaned off yesterday. If you did not see that live, unfortunately, we did not keep that as a video at this time. I will make another one at some point. Let me get this shared out actually first before I start putting everything together. There we go. Let's get this out. If you can share this out yourself, that would be awesome. Facebook is now telling me I'm following myself. That is weird. Hello. How are you doing today? Oh, what is happening? That is weird. Don't see my video. Is there a video? At least somebody's catching me. Say hello. They've changed this on me and now I don't see it. Hey everybody. Hey Carolyn. I think that's Angie that's also on with us. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get Facebook to work with me here. It's showing my video in a weird way right now. But it won't show me the way I need to see it. What am I hearing? Hearing something. That was weird. Hey everybody! What's everybody up to? Sorry, I'm just trying to get this shared out. But I'm also hearing weird things happening, so. Hey everybody! I see more people. Let me know where you're coming in from. I'm Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk couture designer. Alright, so I've got that all shared out. A couple of different places. If you want to share out it for me as well, we're going to put it on this. I hope everybody can see because I can't tell right now. I think we're good. So we're going to do pretty much what we did yesterday. I'm just going to stick this down nicely. Make sure there's no... Oh, it's tilted. Make sure this is as straight as I can make it to my eye. It's not always easy, but... Might be a little off, but we'll deal with that. And then we're just going to do exactly what we did last time. I think I'm going to put a little less in it, though, than I did last time, because there was a lot that I didn't need to use. Everybody having a good day? So I'm just going to whip off the excess on my finger. Almost dumped the red on the floor, or on myself, depending, I don't know. Scrape as much off as I possibly can. Well, that's good, Angie. It's nice to hear. Have you been up to anything special? So I feel like I'm putting a little more dots, but there's a smaller amount. So hopefully that'll work better. So I'm not having to waste too much of the paste. Right, and now I had squeegees, where did I put them? Could have sworn I brought some of those, but I know some are right here, but oh well. Just use these ones. I probably picked them out and then moved everything around. So again, we're just going to pull it kind of straight down. Make sure we catch everything this time, because that's what happened last time, is I didn't get everything. And then when I went to move it, I didn't line it up the right way, which makes it a little harder. So we're just pulling it all the way straight down. Oh, they were here this morning? That's a good thing. I don't want them not to show up. Oh, maybe we do need a little more ink. Or, sorry, I'm not using ink. Paste. Because I think I let it dry a little too much too, so. Because when you put only a little bit on, it tends to dry quicker. which makes sense. So just put a little bit more on. Hey everybody, how are you doing today? I'm Chantel with Tully's Talkin' Chalk. I'm a chalk tour designer. I'm happy to have you here. Like and follow the business page. Let me know where you're coming in from. Oh, they were all underneath my one lid. I knew I had them close by. Hi, Princess. So Miss Princess has decided to come and join us. I haven't seen her much all day today. Now that I'm live, she's coming to say hi to everybody. Thinking she's coming to say hi to you guys more so than me, because, like I said, she doesn't even come out when I'm here. But I'm all by myself. She's hiding away in the bedroom. Alright, so I did that up. Now I'm just going to pull it up. Trying not to get the stuff that's on my hand all over. Oh. So I'm doing this slowly just in case I did miss, because some parts are smaller, so you think you got it, but you don't always have it all. Do you have any plans for the weekend? So there are some markings around the perimeter that I need to fix because they're just where I put my fingers and I have my fingers in the paste. But that's how it turned out, although I was supposed to put it higher up. Oops. I forgot about that part. But that's how easy it is. So I'm going to put this in here and see how much of it cut off. I hope not much. Doesn't look like it should be. Oh no, you know what? It worked perfectly. Ha! I did that right in the right spot. So it fit right in the right spot. Any lower and it would have been cut off. So that is my project for today. I hope you all enjoyed. And today's Thursday, so I will see you tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Nope, 4 o'clock. We've been doing 4 o'clock lately. I'm used to saying 2 o'clock, but Saturday lady is coming to try to get snacks. Ooh, that'll be fun. Maybe. And see, as you can see, I have colorful fingers again. But that is what I have for you today. That is our hot mess technique, which worked out a little better than, actually a lot better than it did last time. Because when I went to line it up the second time, because I took it off too early, it didn't want to work. I'm telling you, I'm all different colors. And it's drying on my fingers, so it feels funny. It's not going to hurt me. It is all natural, so we're good. But I will see you guys tomorrow at 4 o'clock Eastern. Bye, guys.